Video, we'll talk about the importance of mindset conditioning in gaining muscle. Roadblocks, brick walls, obstacles, bumps in the road, reasons, or whatever you call them, they exist and they get in your way daily in our quest to be healthy and fit. Stop giving excuses. Remember that you can have results or excuses, not both. In this video, we'll talk about muscle pumping diet. High-protein diets such as Zone, Atkins, and Sugar Busters have come and gone for decades, their popularity rising and falling like waves in the ocean. While high-protein diets do usually lead to weight loss, they may be unbalanced meal plans that sometimes restrict entire food groups and fail to meet humans' essential needs for vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, that doesn't have to be the case. Several studies comparing high-protein, low-carbohydrate diets with high-carbohydrate, low-protein diets found high-protein diets to be just as effective and sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll talk about the must-have muscle-gaining supplements. Yes, you can definitely build muscles without taking supplements, but this will take a much longer period of time to achieve the same results as those who took the right supplements. So ask yourself, do you want to shave off months of unnecessary hard work and get results fast? If your answer is yes, then you should invest in supplements. Without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'll share with you the ultimate chest and best bicep sculpting workouts. These muscle groups will give you the V figure you've been looking for and look good in any outfit. So we're going to focus on that today, and we'll walk you through how to execute each workout with the perfect form to ensure maximum muscle growth and minimal injury. Everyone wants to look like a celebrity, so if you want to look like one, you can simply model them. In this video, we'll learn about the celebrity workout, what they did, and how they did it. In this video, we'll discover the secret muscle building techniques for vegans and vegetarians.